Welcome to Hattie Dodge Ram's Commercial Fleet Department. My name is Joseph, and today I've got a lot nicer truck than I typically showcase. 2026 Ram 2500 Black Express. This is a crew cab 4x4 diesel, and that Black Express package gives you this sport performance hood, color match bumpers, these 20-inch painted black aluminum rims. Guys, it's a real sharp truck, has a lot of nice features on it, but it's not too terribly high priced. You're not getting into your $100,000 price point like you would with your Limiteds and your Laramies, but it still looks amazing in that ceramic gray color. Has things like the bed utility group, so you get that step down there. Prep kit connections for gooseneck and fifth wheel. If you guys have any questions about the truck, please feel free to reach out to me, 661-398-0264. I'd love to go over more about this truck with you. And as always, have a great day.